Hi, I'm Jeff from Rokform, and we got our new iPhone 16 cases, and we're going to show you how we install our screen protectors on them. Our screen protector comes in a pack of 2, and we're going to install it onto this brand new iPhone 16 Pro, and we're also going to install our brand new iPhone 16 Pro camera lens protector. So the most important thing when you're installing a screen protector is to make sure that everything is clean, especially around you. You don't do it in a dusty room because you're gonna get a dust little speck in there and it's gonna make you sad. So make sure that you have a nice clean table, there's not a lot of clutter around, and you can just focus on installing it, and it'll go much faster that way. So slow down to go fast is the name of the game with this. We're going to open this up. And we have our instructions here, which you can review when you get your own screen protector, or you can just watch this video and I'm going to go through everything that's on these instructions. So here's our little installation template. Here's our 2 screen protectors, and here's our 2 application kits. So we're just going to need 1 of each. Hopefully I can nail this on the first try. So the nice thing about even how these are packaged is they are packaged in the order in which you are supposed to use them. So we have, open this up. We have 3 parts to this installation. We have the alcohol pad, we have this microfiber wipe, and then we have this little sticky sheet. So we're going to show you how to do this, and then we have our screen protector. We're not really going to mess with this until we're absolutely ready. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on my new iPhone box because I want it to be on something that's got a little bit of grip. So I can even take my foam from this and put it behind there. Make it a little more grippy. Okay, so I'm going to take my alcohol pad and I'm going to clean the screen. Even though it's a brand new phone, there could be a little bit of dust. It just takes one little dust particle to cause your whole screen protector installation to go awry. So we're going to make sure this is really clean. And it is just alcohol, so nothing on here that's going to harm the phone in any way. Clean that, and then we'll take our wipe and we will dry it. So having clean hands also is definitely going to help a lot. So make sure you just think clean. We're going to make sure that this is dry and clean. And just in case this little microfiber cloth left a little speck of something, we supply this little sticky thing. And it's just an adhesive backed sticker, and we're gonna use this to, don't touch it with your fingers, just use the sticky thing and get all of the, this will pick up any little piece of dust that might be left behind from your cleaning there. Okay, and now that I've got that done, I'm going to take a look at my template here, and there's a top and a bottom, and the bottom says IP, and we're going to just stick that template right on top. And then we're not going to waste any time, and we're going to peel where it says peel, and this is the side that's going to go down onto the screen. I do it sideways, that's just how I do it. And I like to rest it at the top And then you just want to kind of slowly let it drop. And now it's going to do its own thing. I don't like to disrupt it too much. I like to let it do its own adhesion. And at this time, I'm going to take this off. And hopefully you can see it kind of, all the airs kind of working out. It's kind of coming down here. And I see I have a little spot up here that I'm going to need to probably manually work on. But we can do that. So I'm just going to kind of press that out. I have one little air bubble there. I don't think it's dust because it's moving. So wait till, if that does happen to you, you can wait overnight and it's probably going to go away. So I'm going to wait on this one overnight because they're moving, so I know it's not a piece of dust in there. So rather than keep wrenching on the thing, I'm just going to put my case back on. And that's how you install a screen protector. So I just had that one little bubble, but I know it's moving. So I'm going to let it sit overnight and it should be gone in the morning. It should work its way out of there. So now we're going to show you how to install the camera lens protector. So to install that, we need to take the phone case off. And it's sitting nice and flat on my phone box. So this is really easy to open. So we have our camera lens protector here. And then we have the same cleaning kit as we do with our screen protector. Open it up like that. And just like with the screen protector, we have our alcohol pad, which is the first step. And the second step is our microfiber wipe. Third step is our little sticky blue part. So I'm going to start with my alcohol wipe. Open it up. And again, even though it's a brand new phone, should be perfectly clean. Why not just be extra careful and make sure there's no little dust on there. So use alcohol wipe. Then we're going to use our microfiber. Make sure it's nice and dry because we don't want it wet when we're putting these on. And we're not touching the camera lens at all. We're only using the microfiber all the way around. Okay, and then we're going to take our sticky blue and make sure that there is no dust left behind. So stick that there. I'm actually just going to leave that there while I take my camera lens protector out. So here's our camera lens protector. Obviously it's going to go, the little tab is the top, and that's the same way you open it. So we have this, and I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to take this off, and I'm just going to drop this the outside of that camera area, like that. And that's your camera lens protector. Then you're going to stick your phone right back on. And now I have a camera lens protector and also a screen protector. And that's as easy as it gets.